Hi everyone, welcome to Learning Unlocked. Please subscribe if you're here. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how I made this cute little strawberry ring book, stay tuned, keep watching the video. Don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment below. Thank you. Okay, for this activity you will need 2 sheets of bristle board, a punch, a scissor, a book binder or ring binder, and color pencils or crayons, even markers if you wish. Oh, shoot, and a pencil. I forgot. So let's get started. Your first step is gonna be to create a stencil of the strawberry. So size, shape, everything that you would want the strawberry to look like, you make sure and you do on this first stencil. And what you're gonna actually use this stencil for is to easily draw the others and ensure they are all the same size. Not twins, not identical twins, but close enough. So right now I'm just cutting out my stencil. By the end of this video, I think the key takeaway, apart from the strawberry, would be that it doesn't have to be perfect to be effective. I am probably not the most artistic person you'll meet in life, but I still get the job done. So I feel like this is definitely beginner friendly because I consider myself maybe not a beginner, but somewhere close. Okay, so hours later I finally finished cutting the strawberry, and as I said, I'm gonna just now fill the paper with as many strawberries as I could using this stencil. If you are not interested in actually sitting and spending a few minutes drawing these things, I also have something, a special surprise for you at the end of this video, that you can print and get the same result. Or even if you want to draw but you want like a cleaner or more clear cut look for your book, definitely check out the link in the description. Okay, just to mention, I did not show this on the video, but I also repeated on another sheet. You can do as many or as little strawberries as you like. Don't forget that this ring binder is something that you can always update or change. It's not a problem. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. Let's actually write our words. So I'm just going to use color pencils to ensure that it's colorful and attractive. And here she comes, my little 2-year-old. Okay, so I'm just writing common sight words. I will also have a sight word list listed in the description for your perusal. Yes. One of the important reasons for actually drawing is actually, for me, I feel like it kind of piques their interest and keeps them kind of engaged in the activity even when you're actually doing the work with them. So there she is again trying to write her own words. Too cute.
What's this? What's that?
What is that?
Dog.
Very good job. Well, if you had any question about whether or not this technique works, there is your proof. Okay, so I am more or less done. What I'm going to do is fully decorate the strawberry that is going to be the cover of our book. If you want, you can go the extra mile and decorate each strawberry, but I felt a bit lazy today, so I'm just going to decorate my cover page. Let's get some color in there, make it as realistic as possible. You got this. Hang in there. Almost done. So I'm just taking my punch and I'm gonna bore a hole in my strawberry. I'm gonna just use the first one and line it up against the others just to make sure that everything is even and our books line up correctly. I'm sorry that you couldn't see what I was doing, but I believe this should be straightforward. It was taking a bit long to do one by one, so I just started stacking as many as I feel like my punch could hold, well, felt like my punch could hold, and I just did it in 2 batches. Again, using the front just to make sure that the book lines up well. Okay, now it's time to put it on our ring binder. Note that the ones that I link in the description is gonna be like a screw one, so you don't have to go through like the squeezing, especially if you have nails. But this is our finished product. They are some of the words that I chose to use. You can feel free to use different words. This activity can even be used for names, sentences, anything you want, and this is the size of it, perfect for tiny hands. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out my printables if you're not interested in drawing, and thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.